So in this program, I am having the multiple try catch blocks, right? So here in this block, I am handling the null reference related details, whatever the exception is happening. So for that, I am using the try catch block. So here, whenever I'm having the some kind of issue which is related to the index out of range of exception, I am doing this. Okay, multiple try catch blocks are there in this program. I mean, in this method, right? So, but I don't want to prepare the multiple try catch blocks. I mean, multiple tries here. Instead of that, I would like to prepare the only one single try with the multiple catches. Okay. So the thing is that I need to focus the entire the code which is causing the issue, and then based on the code, whatever the issue is happening, that issue related exception related details, I would like to take those exception related details by using the catch block. Okay, I don't want to prepare the multiple tries in this method. So how I can do that in the sense, let me modify this code. Okay, so for that, let me remove this try. Okay, and this one also, let me remove this catch block also. Let me remove this finally. Okay, let me remove this finally, and here also let me remove try and catch finally, everything. Okay, I wanted to prepare with the single try with the multiple catches. Okay, I can do that. So now what I will do, right? I will um, take the try block here. Okay, and I would like to prepare this code entirely under the try. Okay, like this. See that, like this I would like to prepare entirely this code under the try, and then here I wanted to take the catch. Okay, so here the catch, like this. Okay, so in case this code, okay, this code uh, which is causing the null reference exception, yes, I can do, right? So anyway, in the catch, I'm doing the null reference exception like this. Okay, now in this same code, okay, whatever the code, this code in case which is causing the index out of range exception. Okay, so yeah, I can do that by taking the another catch. Yes, I can do that like this. Okay, index out of range exception. Okay, like this. So tomorrow, in case this code which is giving the other exception, uh, let's say argument related exception, yes, I can handle by using the argument related exception, right? That is argument exception. So anyway, here I would like to print the messages here. Let's say console.writeLine ex.message, and let me use the statement here also and here also. That's it. Okay, and I am moving these two statements, whatever the global statements I'm having, those two statements I'm moving to the under the finally. That's it. Okay, so now my code is clean, right? So this code under the try catch block, and whatever the issue is happening in this code, I am having the multiple catch blocks. Okay, so in case of null reference, this will be handled. In case of index out of range, this will be happen, and argument related exception, this will be happen. Okay, so now if you see the output, okay, so as of now I am having the model number 10, let it be like this. Here I don't want to change. Now if you see the output, so go to the instead of the function, that is the method car info, click on F10, see that model number, what is the model number, which is I'm passing the 10, right? So now if you see the output, model name causing the issue, right? That is index out of range exception. Now you see that, right? Index out of range exception, which is captured by this clutch. In case if I could have get the null reference exception, this catch block will be take care. Okay, so now I'm facing the index out of range exception, so that's the reason this block is capturing. And anyway, I can see the message here, that is index was outside the bounds of the array. Anyway, you can see the message over here. And then whatever the statements under the finally, so those statements executed as usually.